Good morning, students. Good morning, teacher. Today we are going to do activity on plane shapes and solid shapes. Okay, teacher. Students, name some plane shapes. Circle, triangle, square, rectangle. Very good. Name some solid shapes. Solid shape. Cube, yes. Very good. Hema, come and pick one rectangle. Trace the rectangle on chart and paste it. Very good. Give class to Hema. Read the spelling, ma.
R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle.
Very good. Arida, pick up one cylinder and paste it on the chart. Read the spelling.